अस्सलाम हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल का सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में दिए गए बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबा दें साथ में दिए गए बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबा दें ताकि मेरे चैनल पर आने वाली हर नई नई वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। आप मेरे चैनल पर आने वाली हर नई नई वीडियोस को देख सकें। उन्हें लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट्स दें। चलो एवरीवन, बढ़ते हैं आज की वीडियो की जाने में। आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ व्हाट इज़ अ बिटकॉइन नोड, द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ द नोड्स दैट एग्जिस्ट ऑन द बिटकॉइन नेटवर्क एंड हाउ minerals fits into it all. A node is a device or data point in a larger network, or more simply a basis of a computer requirement attached to the network in the context of the internet. And your household, your phone is not, your laptop is not, your router is not, and then and that smart light bulb is not too. Knots can take many shapes, size, and forms. Each one play a different roles in the functioning of your household. In the case of the Bitcoin blockchain, there are four main types of the nodes: full nodes, super nodes, light nodes, and miniming nodes. Full, super, and light nodes perform similar functions, while miniming nodes perform a different function entirely. Before divining in, it is the best to think of the blockchain as the ledger or listed of the transition. All the type of the nodes contribute in the some ways or buildings or maintains that list. Meaning nodes, these plan to writings about the about what meaning is and how it works. Simply thinks of meanings nodes are not as the nodes that produce a block. For the blockchain, meaning nodes configures the blockades, and that should be put into your list in their process known as miniming. Miniming nodes are not actually responsible for the maintaining the blockchain, that are only responsible for the creating blocks to add to it. After these blocks are created, they are sent over the network to full nodes, which will dedicate them and then and them to blockchain full and super nodes. As their name suggests, full nodes are responsible for holding and disturbing copies of entire blockchain ledger. As such, they apply virtual roles in their network as they are to go to the point of validating the history of the blockchains. The full node is able to validate the transition all the way back of Genesis block at the time of publishing. The entire blockchain is getting about the 242 GP in a size. Estimate clients, there are over 10,000 operational full nodes of their Bitcoin network. The node propaganda of the blockchain to all other nodes on their network to ensure the most trusted blockchain is maintained. The more nodes, the more distrusted their network and their harder is to hack, depending on the number of incoming and outgoing connections. A full node has it can also be referred of a super nodes or listening node. Super nodes are type of full nodes that generally operate around the clock to help the contact other full nodes to each other and separate the blockchain across the entire network. The serve as information as redistributions relay to ensure everyone has a right copy of the blockchain. Light nodes or thin nodes perform a similar function to full nodes, but rather than holding an entire copy of the blockchain, they only contain a version of it. Slide nodes only download on the block header of previous transitions to confirm the validity of the blockchain and to pass this information onto this node on the another node. The block header is a summary of a block. It includes information about the previous block to which it is has hit, the time it was mined as a unique identifying number called a nonce. Light nodes contact to their parent nodes, usually the full node, which maintains a complete copy of the blockchain. As light nodes process less blockchain are not helping them propagate large values which maintain the completely copy of the blockchains. As light node process, the less blockchains are not propagate large value of data through their network. They do not need it to be a powerful and much more cheaper strong maintain than full or super nodes. That said, it is full node hacked or holds incorrect copies, had and holds incorrect copies. of the blockchain. The light nodes can be served. Could they dismiss the blockchain or a false? Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.